औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Vellary. Children, let us play quiz on the topic development. So, first question is, economic progress of a country is termed as, first option is economic development, second option is political development, third option is historical development, fourth option is social development. So, correct answer is economic development. Second question now, the average income of the individual of a country is, first option is world income, second option is per capita income, third option is country's income, fourth option is national income. So, right answer is per capita income. Next question, total national income divided by total population of a country. First option is world income, second option is national income, third option is per capita income, and fourth option is country's income. So right answer is per capita income. Next question, the total production of goods and services of a country during 1 year. First option is individual income, second option is per capita income, third option is per person income, and fourth option is national income. So right answer is national income. Question number 5. Who defines the economic development as improvement of economic welfare? First option is Professor Colin Clark, second option is Karl Marx, third option is Max Weber, and fourth option is Martin Luther. Correct answer is Professor Colin Clark. Question number 6. Human development is expansion of capabilities of people's health, education and purchasing power. First option is Karl Marx. Second option is according to Amartya Sen, and third option is Max Weber, and fourth option is Martin Luther. So right answer is Amartya Sen. Next question, how India ranked in HDI Human Development Index in 2014? First option is 133 rank with 0.586 points. Second option is 134th rank with 0.586. Third option is 135th rank with 0.586 points. Fourth option is 136th rank with 0.586 points. So right answer is 135th rank. Next question, which is the institution started HDI to measure the development of the countries? First option is FAO, second option is UNO, third option is WHO, and fourth option is United Nations Development Program. So right answer is fourth option, that is United Nations Development Program. Question number 9. What is the men literacy rate according to 2011 census? First option is men literacy rate is 83.14%. Second option is men literacy rate is 80.14%. Third option is men literacy rate is 81.14%. And fourth option is men literacy rate is 82.14%. So right answer is 82.14%. Next question, what is the women literacy rate according to 2011 census? First option 62.46%, second option is 63.46%, third option is 64.46%, and fourth option is 65.46%. So right answer is 65.46% according to 2011 census. Next question. The progress in a particular field or a segment of people, that is known as the first option is developing, second option is development, third option is improving, and fourth option is under development. So right answer is development. This is the last question, children. It is a process of where the women can take independent decision in all the fields like economically, politically, socially is called women empowerment. First option is women progress, second option is women empowerment, third option is women achievement, and fourth option is women development. So right answer is women empowerment. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Take care, children. Be safe. Stay at home. Allah Hafiz.